to snatch back the lead. Wala nang 7 minuto natitira sa bakbakan na ito. Marshall kicks it back out. Justice will not be denied.
I mean, this guy really showing some guts. Right now, look at him sticking closely to LA Tenorio. Talagang inaasawa na niya tong si LA.
Sticky defense ginagamit ni James Justice doon. Ayaw nang paporma yun o patanggapin man lang
Marcus
si LA
has to
Tenorio.
roll.
Fonacier on the move!
Right now, everybody contributing here para sa Team Pilipinas.
Justice, sinalubong ni Douthit, nowhere to go.
Got to tap the ball once it's on the floor.
Na-recover pa na itong mga Amerikano. Barnes kicks it over.
6 seconds to shoot.
3-pointer on the way.
Oh, big basket there for USA.
Big 3 by Arnold gives him a 2-point lead. Wala nang 6 na minuto natitira sa bakbakan na ito. Douthit looking for Larry. LA na lang daw ang gusto niyang puntahan. Now they go to Chan.
Nice fake by Jeff.
Chan all the way is fouled.
Kasi lahat ngayon naka-extend out na talaga yung defense ng USA. So you have to take advantage of the momentum of the defender trying to close out on the shooters and really attack and see the driving lane once it's open.
Timeout requested here. 66-64 ang Estados Unidos. Abante lamang ng 2 puntos. May 2 free throw para kay Chan sa aming pagbabalik.
With that pick and roll and take advantage dahil mukhang confused itong depensa ng USA. Although Jeff Chan, sorry miss that time, LA Tenorio, pinagpahinga muna. Baka sakali makakalimutan ng USA pagbalik niya.
Sol Mercado ibinalik muna as Jeff Chan lines up his second. He's got 18 points in total in this game. Isa ang abante ng Amerika. 5:35 natitira. Gilas Pilipinas looking for a stop. Fonacier holding his own sa pagkakataon na yun. Spin into the lane. Mintis para dito kay Dearman. Fonacier picks it up. Mercado to Chan. Mag-aantay muna ng rest back.
There's the ball screen.
Jeff.
Marcus Douthit throughout the remainder of this game. Dahil nga sa napapagod na siya, they have to share the responsibility here. Not only of scoring, but most especially in getting rebounds.
LA Tenorio now back on the floor. Para dito sa Gilas, Pilipinas. Nice breather he got from Sol Mercado. Anyari, mukhang offensive foul pa yata.
Ito, pinagpahinga muna si Marcus. I'm sure it's going to be a brief rest for Marcus Douthit.
So Sonny Thoss will need to hold his own in the final 3 minutes or in the final few sequences. Marshall with the leather. Dearman with a pick. Marshall to the wing. Pull-up jumper. No! Tenorio with the rebound.
Yes, good boxing out for Team Pilipinas.
Without Marcus Douthit, gang rebounding ang ginamit natin doon. Here comes LA Tenorio. Kakampi niya sa Alaska, will offer the pick. Si Sonny Thoss. Tenorio once again!
Yes! LA Tenorio spinning and getting open.
One stop para sa Gilas. Justice for 3. Oh, big 3 by James Justice.
Kita mo yung pinakamaliliit na mama, no, for both teams. Doing the most damage.
As we come up on the 2-minute warning, Tenorio asking for that pick. Doesn't use it. LA back to Thoss. LA once again. 3-pointer. Not that time around.
We're okay. Just need to get the stop. Ito na naman si Justice. Oh,
He's fouled by Sonny Thoss. Pang-apat na team foul pa lang naman yan para dito sa Gilas, Pilipinas.
ganda na spin dito ni LA Tenorio, pero on the other end, balik na naman si Justice. Pagbawi dito.
Di na pwede mamigay ng defensive foul dito ang Smart Gilas Pilipinas. The Americans looking the best possible shot. Justice Mitangan. Pull up. Justice Matalas. Tapikan. Marcus gets it over to Tenorio. Nice breather para dito kay Marcus Douthit. They go immediately. Douthit gets the deuce.
Good read there by L.A. Tenorio once again.
L.A. Tenorio, the hero of the day para dito sa Gilas Pilipinas, gives us a 1-point lead. Chance of defense from the Filipinos in attendance. Justice to the wing.
Oh, that's traveling.
Arnold hanging in the air. Dearman nowhere to go. Tenorio picks it up.
No need to rush. No need to rush.
Tenorio into the lane. We'll reset this attack. 14 seconds on the shot clock para sa Gilas Pilipinas. Wala nang isang minuto natitira sa bakbakan na ito. We were down by as much as 14. LA for a three. No. Rebound USA. And they push that letter with 38 seconds remaining.
Oh, underneath the libre. That's okay. 36 seconds. We have the ball. Only down by 1.
The USA, courtesy of Dearman, gets another 1-point lead, 75-74. 36 seconds natitira sa bakbakan na ito, Richard.
Oh, and we will hang on to the air and see the execution here para sa ating koponan. And our fate is still in our hands.
Okay, we gotta get open. We gotta get open, huh? Here, hey. Marcos, here, opposite. Jeff. Danny. Okay, we're going this way. Marcos screens, Danny. Girl, if he's free, get him to the basket, Danny. If it's up there, Nabas. LA. Okay, LA, gotta come off of Marcos. Get the ball to LA. Down screen for Jeff. Okay. Marcos down screen for Jeff. LA tingin right. Jeff. Game. Screen for Danny. Okay. So pili kang dalawa. Okay. Let's go, Blue.
Kapit na kayo kung ano man ang makakapitan nyo. Kami ni Richard nag-go holding hands na dito. 36 seconds na titira. 75-74. We need a basket here,
That's
Richard.
right. Remember, USA still has a foul to give dito, no? So we have to take it aggressive to the basket. And if they foul, try to take that shot para maka 2 free throws tayo.
At yung coach ng USA na si Travis McAvee, no threes ang sinesenya sa kanyang koponan. Norwood
Eto
having
na.
a light moment with Wayne Arnold. Norwood maglalabas ng bola. LA ang tatanggap. Exactly how Coach Shaw drew it. Jeff Chan tumanggap. Jeff back to LA. Ngayon kailangan ng tumiskarte ni Teniente. Douthit will offer the pick. LA has 12 seconds to work with. Tenorio with an 18-footer. Yes!
Yes! Big shot by L.A. Tenorio. And right now, we only need a stop. Tuloy-tuloy na tayo dito.
Up, hindi na tumaymount ang USA. No fouls to give for Gilas. Gary David looking for the stop. No!
Dito rebound.
LA Tenorio with the rebound, and
And that's
LA
a foul.
Tenorio is fouled. That is a foul to give for the USA. Gilas Pilipinas will end down with 8 seconds remaining.
And L.A. Tenorio, monster ball game. You can't say anything more about L.A. Tenorio. And he's doing everything here para sa ating Team Pilipinas.
And the US bench wants them to foul. If we get it inbounds, kapit bayan. Isang inbound na lang to, maiparating lang yung bola sa loob, Richard.
And remember now, we need to get the ball in the hands of our best free throw shooter. Importante nga, ma-inbound muna natin ito. Remember, they might not foul, they might just trap and force yung ball hogging violations sa atin.
Going this way, guys, huh? Okay. Got it.
So we take another look at that beautiful, picture-perfect shot from Luis Alfred Tenorio. He has definitely taken over.
Got to give credit to that huge screen provided by Marcus Douthit.
Stay here.
Kaya nabura sa eksena dun eh.
Marcos,
Si Justice.
Screen for Jeff. Coming to the ball. Okay, if Jeff is denied, Marcos come to the ball. Lift it up there. Okay.
LA Tenorio waited all his life to be called into service. What a way for Teniente Tenorio to deliver,
Ay,
Richard.
gagawin ko ng general to. Basta manalo tayo.
Pagka in 8 seconds lamang tayo, LA Tenorio for president na tayo.
Alto, hindi lang. Importante dito yung inbound. And of course, after they foul, importante dito, free throw shooting.
Here we go. Inbound from the left.
There you go. Gotta get the ball in bounds. Nagbibilang na yung referee.
They gotta move it. Namuntikanan pa tayo doon. Ball will remain with Gilas. 7.3 remaining. We just need to get it in bounds. Norwood na maglalabas ng bola.
Eto na, bola na kay Norwood na. Gotta get open.
Norwood to Tenorio. Tenorio will dribble away the
Oh.
time. Sinipa yung bola.
Yes.
Are we 4.5 seconds away from bringing home the Jones Cup Championship? 1 inbounds away. Hindi na sila makakaball. Hugging trap neto.
Hindi na. Kailangan nila dito, steal.
Norwood to Doubt.
Oh, there we go.
Now the big Jeff Chan recovers. And he is immediately fouled.
And we like Jeff Chan in the free throw line. One of our best shooters. 1.9 seconds remaining.
There's more time on the clock. That clock ain't right.
Ayan, pinapa-review nung coach yung clock.
I don't have
Pinapayuan pa siya dito ni Bob Marley.
Wala na siya. Si Bob Marley ba yan? Ito na ngayon, ha? Wala nang timeout ng USA. Okay? You gotta make the first free throw muna. Yan na.
At pinasok si Sol for defensive purposes. Kapit bayan, kapit bisig na mga player natin. Tayo, sabayan na natin.
Oh! Missed by Jeff Chan.
And now we have to guard that three-point line.
Jeff, miss.
Miss raw. Okay, miss na.
Dapat tinagalog. Oh, pagka miss to, they have to gather themselves.
Yes.
Mas magandang
Huwag lang
diskarte yan.
matapik ko sa front court.
Chan,
Ito na yung miss.
intentional miss. Yes!
Point 9.
Point 9 natitira. Lumabas pa kasi yung bola.
Okay, wala nang timeout. Do not foul. Importante dito, huwag foul in challenging a shot.
Point 9 away. One
Remember.
stop for Gilas.
Watch out for the alley-oop.
Ari sa likod.
Here you go.
The USA looking for the miracle. Pinukol yung bola. Puts it up. No!
Oh!
Gilas Pilipinas will bring home the Jones Cup for only the 4th time in the 34-year history of this tournament.
And what a way to do it. Coming from behind once again. Playing with all their hearts.
LA Tenorio